I experimented two types of thread. This one is kind of a bit hard, so I don't think I'll use it, and it's so stiff. And the blue one is okay. It is soft and feels good, and it's a no-knot thread. I'll choose this. We are going to do blanket, and this pattern, one pattern, the chain is four chains. So if you take two of this pattern will be 8. So we'll be counting 8, 8 and 8. You don't have to count 16 or like that, just 8, 8, 8 until the length you want or how wide you want. I'm using this hook that's number 3 and 4, but I'll use number 3. Both sides got hook. You're going to use the 3, hook 3, number 3. So chain, knot it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now second row, 1 chain and a single crochet all till the end. This is only a small sample. You can do as long as possible if you just measure how long you want, how wide you want. You also can. Okay, third row, double crochet. The 3 chain first. Go to the second one. Already 2 already. Now 3 already. Now look at it what I'm going to do. This is crucial. You poke it on the third hole. You look at that, third one. There. And you take a yarn and do again like that. Take a yarn and poke it at the same place. Take a yarn. And there. Don't go all the way out. And double crochet and all out. That's one pattern ready. Again, 3 double crochet, again one more time, look at it, hook on the third, 1 2 3, take a yarn and hook it there, take a yarn and hook and all, not all up, okay, just a little bit, then travel, this is wrong, there, 3 double crochet, hook it on the third, now turn, 1 chain and single crochet till the end. turn it, do 3 chain, go to the second one and then do double crochet, 3, and hook it on the third, and all out. Chain and now single crochet. On the same chain we're going to do single crochet 2 and then a double crochet 2 and a single crochet 1, single crochet there 1, double crochet 1, 2, then single crochet 1, and do 3 there because you are turning it around, going around, yeah, and then all the way single crochet. This is the finishing part, the ending part one. Coming to the other corner now, single crochet, single crochet, this corner 3 will be 3 single crochet, double crochet 2, one there, and then double crochet 2, and then 3, the corner 3. No, we come to the end, that's the finishing part. Slip chain and tie it off. This is all the edging. We did the edging all single crochet. So this is a small sample of the blanket.